Hidden within the practices and beliefs of the 33 Degree Freemasons lie profound spiritual laws, guiding principles that shape their worldview and approach to life. These laws, veiled in mystery and tradition, offer insights into the deeper workings of the universe and humanity's place within it. We can foster personal growth and understanding through contemplation and study of these hidden truths. At the heart of Freemasonry's teachings lies the law of positive attitude, a foundational principle that underscores the transformative power of optimism and constructive thinking. Within the esoteric teachings of the 33 Degree Freemasons, this law serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards personal growth and spiritual enlightenment. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining a mindset characterized by hope, resilience, and inner strength, even in the face of adversity. Through the cultivation of a positive attitude, Freemasons believe that individuals can harness the inherent creative forces of the universe to manifest their desires and overcome life's challenges. High-ranking Freemasons have echoed the significance of this law throughout history, emphasizing its profound implications for personal and collective evolution. As Albert Pike once stated, "The mind is everything. What you think you become." This quote encapsulates the essence of the law of positive attitude, highlighting the transformative power of thoughts and beliefs in shaping one's reality. According to Pike and other Freemasonic scholars, maintaining a positive attitude is not merely a matter of wishful thinking, but a fundamental aspect of spiritual discipline and mastery. Furthermore, the law of positive attitude emphasizes the importance of aligning one's thoughts, emotions, and actions with higher spiritual principles. By cultivating optimism and gratitude, individuals can attune themselves to the divine harmony of the universe, thereby facilitating the manifestation of their goals and aspirations. This law teaches that positivity is not merely a fleeting state of mind, but a conscious choice to embrace the inherent goodness and abundance of life. An integral part of Freemasonry's spiritual journey is cultivating a positive attitude through regular practice and mindfulness. The law of positive attitude invites individuals to transcend limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns, thereby unlocking their true potential and experiencing greater fulfillment in life. Freemasons strive to create a world characterized by harmony, abundance, and spiritual enlightenment by embracing the transformative power of optimism and constructive thinking. As they continue to walk the path of inner alchemy and self-discovery, they inspire others to cultivate a positive attitude and embrace the boundless possibilities of the human spirit. The law of universal harmony is a central tenet within the esoteric teachings of the 33 Degree Freemasons, embodying the belief that all aspects of existence are interconnected and governed by a divine order. Freemasonry teaches that the universe operates according to precise laws and principles, reflecting a harmonious balance between the seen and unseen realms. This law emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life forms, from the smallest atoms to the vast expanses of the cosmos, and underscores the importance of aligning oneself with the natural rhythms of creation. Within the teachings of Freemasonry, the law of universal harmony invites individuals to cultivate a deep reverence for the interconnected web of life and to recognize their integral role within the cosmic tapestry. By attuning themselves to the harmonious vibrations of the universe, Freemasons seek to transcend the limitations of ego and individuality, embracing a sense of unity with all sentient beings. Living in alignment with the cosmos's natural order brings true fulfillment and spiritual enlightenment, honoring the sacred interplay of light and shadow, expansion and contraction, creation and dissolution. Moreover, the law of universal harmony encourages individuals to cultivate a sense of awe and wonder towards the mysteries of existence. recognizing the inherent beauty and wisdom encoded within the fabric of reality. Through contemplation, meditation, and introspection, Freemasons seek to deepen their understanding of the divine principles that govern the universe, thereby attaining a greater sense of inner peace and tranquility. Individuals who embrace the law of universal harmony will be able to harmonize their thoughts, emotions, and actions with the cosmic symphony of creation, thereby awakening to their true nature as divine co-creators. The law of personal responsibility is a fundamental principle within the teachings of the 33 Degree Freemasons, emphasizing the importance of self-awareness, accountability, and integrity in one's actions and decisions. The principles of Freemasonry teach that individuals are responsible for their own thoughts, words, and actions, and that they must take responsibility for the consequences of their actions. It emphasizes the idea that true empowerment can be derived from taking responsibility for one's life and actively shaping one's destiny. To illustrate the significance of the law of personal responsibility, consider the following story. In a small village, there lived a young man who dreamt of achieving great success and prosperity. However, instead of taking proactive steps towards his goals, the man often found himself blaming external circumstances and making excuses for his lack of progress. He would frequently complain about the unfairness of life and envy those who seemed to have achieved success effortlessly. Despite the encouragement of his mentors and peers, the man remained stagnant, unwilling to take responsibility for his own growth and development. One day, the man encountered a wise elder who was known for his profound insights into life's mysteries. Sensing the man's frustration and disillusionment, the elder offered him a simple yet profound piece of advice. "You alone are responsible for your destiny, man. No one else can walk your path for you." These words struck a chord within the man's heart, prompting him to reflect deeply on his life choices and the role he played in creating his own reality. Inspired by the elder's wisdom, the man made a conscious decision to embrace the law of personal responsibility, taking ownership of his thoughts, emotions, and actions. Through diligent effort and self-reflection, the man began to transform his life, setting clear goals and taking decisive action towards their attainment. He embraced challenges as opportunities for growth, recognizing that every obstacle was a stepping stone on his journey towards self-realization. As he aligned himself with the law of personal responsibility, the man experienced a profound sense of empowerment and fulfillment, realizing that he alone held the key to unlocking his fullest potential. Inspired by his newfound sense of purpose, the man became a beacon of inspiration for others, demonstrating the transformative power of personal responsibility in shaping one's destiny. The law of spiritual evolution is a cornerstone of the teachings of the 33 Degree Freemasons, emphasizing the continuous journey of growth, enlightenment, and self-realization. Freemasonry holds that every individual possesses an innate potential for spiritual evolution, and that the purpose of life is to unfold this divine potential through a process of inner transformation. This law teaches that spiritual evolution is not a linear path, but a spiral journey, characterized by cycles of expansion, contraction, and rebirth. Many high-ranking Freemasons have spoken extensively about the law of spiritual evolution, recognizing it as an essential aspect of human development. As Manly P. Hall once remarked, the soul is on a journey of self-discovery, seeking to awaken to its divine nature. Quotes like this speak to the soul's innate yearning for enlightenment, its eternal quest for higher states of consciousness, and the law of spiritual evolution. Additionally, the law of spiritual evolution emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life forms and the role of each individual in the evolution of humanity. As individuals awaken to their true nature and align themselves with divine principles, they contribute to humanity's collective upliftment. By embodying virtues such as love, compassion, and wisdom, Freemasons seek to catalyze the evolution of consciousness on a global scale, ushering in a new era of peace, harmony, and spiritual fulfillment. Individuals can accelerate their spiritual evolution through dedicated study, contemplation, and spiritual practice, gaining insight, wisdom, and self-realization on a deeper level. The law of brotherhood stands as a pillar within the teachings of the 33 Degree Freemasons, emphasizing the interconnectedness and mutual responsibility shared among all human beings. According to Freemasonry, each individual is a part of a universal brotherhood that binds them together by a common humanity and a desire for spiritual enlightenment. Despite racial, religious, and national barriers, this law emphasizes the importance of friendship, cooperation, and mutual support. Central to the law of brotherhood is the principle of unity and diversity, celebrating the unique gifts and perspectives that each individual brings to the collective whole. Freemasonry teaches that true brotherhood arises from a deep recognition of the inherent worth and dignity of every human being, regardless of differences in background or belief. By embracing diversity and inclusivity, Freemasons seek to create a world characterized by tolerance, respect, and understanding. Moreover, the law of brotherhood emphasizes the role of service and altruism in fostering harmonious relationships and building a better world for future generations. Selfless service and contribution to society are the keys to true fulfillment and happiness in Freemasonry. Freemasons strive to exemplify brotherhood through acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity in their daily lives, inspiring others to join them in their pursuit of universal fraternity. As individuals awaken to the interconnectedness of all life forms and the inherent unity of the human family, they can contribute to the realization of a world where peace, love, and brotherhood reign supreme. In conclusion, the hidden spiritual laws of the 33 Degree Freemasons offer timeless wisdom and guidance for navigating the complexities of life. In order to improve humanity's collective well-being, one must cultivate positivity, align with universal harmony, accept personal responsibility, pursue spiritual evolution, and embrace brotherhood. Let us strive to embody these profound teachings in our daily lives so that future generations will inherit an enlightened and compassionate world.